Okay, so we got all our clips on this side. Still got the ones that we got with the little bolt holes we got to put on. We'll show you them in a little bit. But these are all ready. But when we get around to the other side here, we don't have any on this door because this door was a different door. So we're gonna have to basically, I got them all marked out. I'm going to drill them and rivet them and bolt them. So we're gonna do that piece last. Otherwise, we're ready to put the trim on. Got the chrome on the passenger side. Looking pretty spiffy. Man, that chrome really sets this truck off. Got to get the other front fender done first, then we can put the grill on. Well, it looks like the pigtail for the headlight is a little crummy, so I'm going to have to redo them, but I just want to set the headlight in there and give you an idea. Looking pretty sweet, though. Hey guys, just showing you, we got all the chrome on the driver's side now. Remember that driver's door we didn't have any of the rivets on? We drilled all the holes, put the tabs in for the rivets on that one, and then riveted the new clips on and drilled 2 holes. So there's a bolt on this end, one on this end. We just got to get the nuts for it to tighten them down, but all the chrome's on there. And then next we're going to do our filler tube and our gas cover. And we're working away on the dynamat in here. Looking pretty good. I'll help soundproof this thing a lot, and we'll be just a little insulation for the carpet too. Thanks. Hey guys, well, we got all the dynamat in. We got it in the floor. Put it in the doors there. That's all done. Okay guys, so we're going to put the headlights back in and the connectors in the ends. This is what they should look like. Then we're just pulling on the back of the connector. It's all hollow in the back here. Anyway, we're going to wire a new pigtail on the end of there so we can, first off, a little longer extension. And then when we go to pull the headlights out to change them, we're not pulling against the wires right at the bat. And then we'll get these wired in so we got good plugs on the end of the headlights. Okay guys, so I just twist this wire up really good, fold it in half. So I cut a little extra, make it a little thicker so it's tighter in the connector. And we just crimp that good and tight. We'll tape it up when we're done too. We'll get all these on the pigtail put on first, and then we'll strip back the wires on the truck. Okay, so all 3 of them are on there. Okay, so we got our crimp connectors all on there. Like I said, the green one goes on the left of the plug. The red one ends up going on the top, and the other one goes on the right. So green, red, and then the other one. And we get them good and crimped. I'm going to tape them up just so they won't pull out. We'll shrink tube them maybe, we'll see. Got the battery charging up right now, but we got all our lights in the front here, the front bumper on. That's all taken care of now. As you saw earlier, I got this driver's door trim on. Got them set up. And I got the trim on here. We just got the gas cap door on. That's done. Just got to get my lights and stuff figured out here on this yet. Kind of splicing this spaghetti mess here back from the old box and this one. So we got the tail lights working. Just got to get the brake lights working, and then that'll be, we can put the tail lights back in. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are staying tuned to all the progress on the F-150 here. We got a lot done today. We got the fuel door installed. The fuel filler neck tube is installed. We got to put the hose between that yet. The bumpers on the headlight, new pigtails are wired for the headlights. We got the all the trim rings on the front bumpers on, the turn lights are on. All the dynamat's done inside the truck now. We got the holes punched for where the dynamat goes, and we're ready to start working on the rest of the interior. All the trim pieces for the headliner are painted. The headliner and then pieces will go in tomorrow. and we're gonna get ready for carpet. Started mocking up for my push bars, and so tomorrow we're gonna try and get some of this, maybe the steps on the side, finish the tail lights up, and some other things. But hope this is a good update for you. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.